Today, this is Sir Ben, and our lesson for today is about simple interest. We have here in formula I sub s is equals to PRT, where I sub s is the simple interest, P is the principal or the amount invested or borrowed, R is simple interest rate. This is in percentage, pero kino-convert natin siya in decimals. T, term or time in years. Okay? And then F is the future or maturity value. Then we have here the formula for the maturity value. F is equals to P plus I sub S, or F is equals to P quantity 1 plus RT. Okay. So kung ano yung pwede natin magamit dito, depende doon sa ating given value. So meron tayo ditong example, completing the table. We have here the column for principal, rate, time, simple interest, and future value. So sa unang row, we have given principal. The rate principal is 100,000 pesos. Rate is 8.5%. Times 10, simple interest. Wala tayo yan. And then we have no future value. So to compute for letter A, simple interest, formula is I sub S equals to PRT. Given natin is 1,000 pesos. Times the rate is 8.5%. Convert this to decimal. Ganito lang, no? Pag-convert sa decimal. I have here a calculator. So, 8.5 divided by 100. Okay. So, this is 0.085. And then we have the time in years. So, we multiply that. We have 100,000 pesos times 0.085 times 10 will give us 85,000 pesos. This is our answer. Next, for letter B, what is the future value? This one. So, future value formula is yan natin yung mga given dun. No? So, since we have gotten yung I, we may use this one. F is equal to 50. So, principal is 100,000 nasa given natin. Plus yung ating nakuha na 85,000, which is I sub S. That will give us 185,000 pesos. This is our answer. Next is letter C. Dito at sa ating second row. Principal, unknown, rate is 5.5%. Time is 8. Simple interest is 22,000 pesos. And future value is unknown. Okay, to find for the principal, this one, given natin ay yung rate, and then time, and then I. So we derive a formula from I sub S equals to PRT. Mag-derive tayo ng formula for P. Okay? So, P, yung R and T, we divide both sides by R and T. Okay, so ito ay makakancel. And then our new formula to get the principal is P equals to I sub S over R T. Okay. So ginawa natin yun kasi ang given natin, we have the simple interest, which is 22,000. And then given din yung ating rate, 5.5%. 5.5% to decimal divided by 100. That is 0.055. Times the time in years is 8. So solving this one, it is better to use yung ating scientific, no? 22,000 pesos divided by 0.055 times 8. Okay, equal, we have 50,000 pesos. So our answer here in principal is 50,000 pesos. For letter D, we have this one, the future value. Future value equals to P plus I sub S. Yung P natin galing dito, no? So we have 50,000 pesos plus the given simple interest, which is 22,000 pesos. Therefore, our future value is 72,000 pesos. This is our answer. Okay, next example, third row, this one. Given is principal 25,000 pesos. We have no rate, unknown. Time is 2 years and 6 months. So, convert pa natin to, no? Then, simple interest, 3,750. And future value, 28,750. So, first, we convert the time in years. Kasi meron siyang months, no? So, we have 2 years plus 6 months, 6. And then, divided by the number of months per year, 12. So, this is 2.5 years. So, our time here is 2.5 years. Okay, computing for E, this one, we have the rate. So, given natin ay principal and then time. Now, what we are going to do is to derive the formula for rate. Okay, this is the formula for the interest. To derive the formula for rate, we divide both sides by principal and time. So, makakancel dito yung P and P. Left is R equals to I sub S equals to P times T, where I sub S is 3,750 divided by the principal, 25,000 times yung ating time na nakuha, which is 2.5 years. So, you may use this one, yung ating fraction button. Okay, 25,000 times 2.5. Our answer here is 3 over 50 or 0.06 or 6%. 0.06. So we multiply this to 100 to get the percentage. This is 6%. Last example, this is seen at our last row. Given natin ay principal 150,000 pesos, rate 10.5%. Ang unknown natin is time, and then given din ang simple interest and future value. So, letter F. For time, our formula for simple interest, di ba, is I equals to PRT. We will derive a formula here. We divide both sides by P and R para maka-cancel siya dito sa right side niya. So, P and R cancel. So, matitira natin dito is P equals to I sub S over P times R. Okay. We have the given 78,000 for I. 78,750 divided by P, which is the principal, 150,000 pesos, times R. Yung rate natin, convert natin sa decimal. Okay, 10.5% to decimal. 10.5 divided by 100. That is 0.105. Okay, computing this. Okay, our answer here for time is 5 years. Thank you very much for watching. This is Sir Ben. Hope to see you on my next upload. Goodbye and God bless.